with our bond enforcement system. Let your hair tell your story. Short, carrots, and blonde. Let's start with retail.
Your bathroom needs to be
it's the ones with the squares.
overfighting air freshener to set and forget. No outlets, no batteries needed, no oil required. So your bathroom stays continuously fresh for 45 days. That's the power for 3 small spaces.
I'm Mark Gray here to show you the easiest way to get new floors. Shop at home. And we're bring samples to you. Hundreds of options. Carpet, hardwood, tile, vinyl, and laminate. We'll help you pick the right floor and measure your rooms for free. You'll get a price estimate for your entire job, and you can even finance it right on the spot. It's that easy.
I didn't know either.
Shop for floors at home. That's Empire today.
I didn't know that.
Say yes.
So it is
Great. Yes.
Okay.
I just put this black one that I haven't worn in over 10 years.
Where's that? God, what's taking so long?
Schedule your free, no obligation consultation and find out how to get $250 off. Call or go to silverdollars.com. Known for following your dreams.
What the?
Known for keeping with tradition. Known for discovering new places. Known used to be known for cancer. But a treatment?
Outside here? Oh, you mean your dad's Wi-Fi box?
FDA approved for 16 types of cancer.
You still have yours at home?
Advanced cancers. One of these cancers is early stage non-small cell lung cancer. Keytruda may be used with certain chemotherapies before surgery when you have early stage lung cancer, which can be removed by surgery, and then continued alone after surgery to help prevent your lung cancer from coming back.
Keytruda purifies your immune system to attack healthy parts of your body during and after treatment. This may be severe and today. Some drink it right away if you have cough, shortness of breath, chest pain, diarrhea, severe stomach pain, severe nausea, headache, blood sensitivity.
Yeah, you don't know about me there.
Extreme tiredness, constipation, disease or fatigue, changes in appetite for extreme urine, confusion, memory problems, muscular weakness, fever, rash, itching, depression, and many other side effects. Tell your doctor about all your medical conditions and immune system problems. If you've had a transplant or a stem cell transplant, receive chest radiation, or have a nervous system problem.
Keytruda is an immunotherapy and is also being studied in hundreds of clinical trials, exploring ways to treat even more types of cancer. It's true. Keytruda from Merck. See all the types of cancer Keytruda is known for at Keytruda.com and ask your doctor if Keytruda can be Whoa, you went to even camera? I was sharing pics from the slope. You do not want to see yourself ski. It looks like a marshmallow.
Join now. Only T-Mobile gives you 4 new iPhone 15s on us and 4 lines of unlimited for $25 a line.
For muscle cramps and spasms, TheraWorks absorbs quickly for relief. So get back at it. For fast muscle relief, TheraWorks works. Try TheraWorks and get back at it.
It's fully charged, so don't worry about plugging it in.
Hyaluronic Body Water Cream by L'Oreal with microhyaluronic acid hydrates better than the #1 hyaluronic gel moisturizer.
So all you
In
gotta
2
do is
weeks,
turn it
lactic
on.
has been reduced. Plumping Water Cream by L'Oreal. We're worth it.
Hurry up and try new Little Caesars Racing. Their full front
Good lunch, TV.
cheese, pepperoni, and sauce at only $3.99.
Digitization versus digitization.
Not
That's my wife's like, doesn't know, don't worry.
No service. No service. Never
It's
mind.
just starting up.
There's 5 bars.
It's gonna give it a minute for everything to start up.
Got it. Zero connected.
95.
Well, you gotta, well, that runs off of that, right?